Edo Deputy Governor Engineer Marvelous Omobayo don't charge officials of the National Productivity Center to put modalities in place made them for move Naija from consumption to production economy. The Deputy Governor talked this one when he received delegation of the National Productivity Center for his office. Omobayo Konyan the delegation say make them move beyond theories and focus more on practicals, make them for fit make the nation a production economy, and say Edo State alone no go fit change the economic outlook of Naija, but go fit set quality standards for other states to follow.
We will have to go beyond the theory, researches, seminars and all of that, and actually look at the report and see how we can use it to better our country. I am somebody who believes in input and output, and that is what production function is all about. Yeah. So let us see how much we can put in so that we expect a higher level of output. We can start today. I know you have been doing a lot, but not just Edo State alone cannot change the economic outlook just now, but we can set some standard that people also come other states and they will emulate. So the governor has in the past 7 years plus brought in 1 or 2 programs that even big states like Lagos, like Rivers, very big states, they come in to say, please can we understudy this? In power, we are #1. Somehow we were able to break the arrangement from the national grid and we did something very independent and it's paying off. That's what we are using now. But from other areas, several areas, both in the digitalization of running the government and all of that.
Edo State Coordinator National Productivity Center Banje Suru talk say dem see the Deputy Governor to let her know of the activities and also to ask for support of Edo State government to join body with the center to empower Edo people to enjoy high standards of living.
We know our own. Know our own is for you to know that we have some programs that are related. Related in the sense that we come down to your office specifically to introduce our programs. We introduce our programs. These programs will be meant for only your office of the Deputy Governor. By the time we are through, they will serve you well. They will serve you better. That is the essence of productivity. It is very important that if we do so many things with you, your staff will be very efficient, will serve you well, your staff will be very effective, your staff will assist you in your administration, your staff will assist you in your governance of Edo State. That is why we felt that this is important. We get closer to you so that your office will serve the entire Edo State, Nigeria at large.
Make una not forget say, as we see him, na so we dey talk am. We not dey take blame. From Benin City, Ekata Ujisoli, TMC TV News.